Microsoft has just dropped a new AI coding model called MAI-Code-1 Flash, and it's built for one thing: speed. This new model is being integrated into GitHub Copilot inside Visual Studio Code, and it's designed to generate code faster, respond quicker, and reduce latency during real-time development. Unlike large reasoning-heavy AI models, MAI-Code-1 Flash is a lightweight coding model optimized specifically for developer workflows inside the editor. That means faster autocomplete, quicker code suggestions, and smoother interaction while you're actually writing software. What's interesting is that Microsoft is now clearly moving toward building its own full AI stack. Instead of depending only on external models, they're creating in-house systems tailored for coding tools like Copilot. This is part of a bigger shift in AI development tools, where we're starting to see two types of models emerge: large, slow, highly intelligent reasoning models, and smaller, flash, models built for speed and instant responses. MAI-Code-1 Flash falls into that second category. The goal is simple: turn natural language into working code instantly, right inside your editor, without breaking your flow. And if this direction continues, AI coding tools are going to feel less like assistants and more like real-time code developers built directly into your IDE.